So if you are a beginner barber or you're teaching yourself how to cut hair, then this video will definitely save you years of frustration, okay? So stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get into the video. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Tyreek, and we're back at it again with another video, man. So FC read from the title and the thumbnail. Today I'm going to be talking about the 5 mistakes that beginner barbers make, okay? Mistakes that I've made before, and if I knew this earlier, my cuts would have leveled up way faster. So stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow my social media, and without any further ado, man, let's not waste time. Let's get into it. Let's go. Okay, so mistake number 1 is rushing the cut. The biggest mistake the beginners make is rushing the haircut, bro. You rush the fades, you rush the lineups, you rush just because you are nervous. But then clean cuts, they need patience, not speed. You know what I'm saying? Dog, fades, they need time to blend. Lineups, they need control, not force. And also speed comes after consistency. So the more reps you get in, the overall better you will become, and the more faster you will learn how to cut. So keep this in mind. Slow is smooth, but then smooth becomes fast. Mistake number 2 is pushing the hairline. This one ruins more haircuts than anything. And beginners push the hairline back because they're scared that the haircut won't look sharp enough. But then pushing the hairline does not make the haircut clean. It makes it temporary. That's why I always put emphasis that the more natural your hairline looks, the overall better your haircuts will become. And once you push it, there's no going back. And one thing, bro, clients remember bad lineups. A barber's job is to protect the hairline, not to destroy it. So keep that one in mind. Mistake number 3 is using too much enhancements. Listen to me, bro. Listen to me. Enhancements are a tool, not crutches. A lot of beginners use enhancements to hide bad lineups. You get me? And the overall truth is, enhancements, they should enhance, not replace. So if your haircut only looks good after applying that paint or that spray or whatever, then it's not really a good haircut. Because if it doesn't look clean without enhancements, then it's not really a clean cut. So always keep in mind, bro, less is more. Try not to use too much enhancements, and make sure that the haircut overall looks good before applying that. You get me? Because some haircuts, to be honest, they don't really need enhancements. Some of my clients, when I cut them, they tell me like, yo, I don't need enhancements, just make sure that the haircut looks good. And I do that. You get me? So yeah, man, don't rely too much on the enhancements, bro. Just use it to enhance, not to make. You get me? And mistake number 4 is ignoring the basics. Listen to me, bro. But for some odd reason, everyone wants to have advanced fades without mastering the basics. Like, how does that make sense? And what are the basics? They are very simple. The basics are having proper clipper angles, having consistent guidelines, having clean sections, and also having even cutting pressure. You get me? Dog, you don't need fancy techniques, bro. You just need clean fundamentals. Learn the basics, master the basics. You get me? The best barbers, they aren't flashy. The best barbers that you see on the internet, YouTube, Instagram, whatever, they are not flashy. They are just consistent. You get me? And the last mistake is comparing yourself to other barbers. You get me? This one is mental, but it's also very, very deadly at the same time. Beginners tend to compare themselves to barbers with 5, 10, even 15 years of experience, and that's because they see these things on social media and whatnot. And bro, social media only shows the highlights. They don't show the what is this? They don't show the bad haircuts. They don't show the struggle. You get me? They don't show the struggle. Every beginner, including myself, started trash. Like, the haircuts were trash. You get me? And the more you practice, the more you keep on getting the reps in, the overall better you become. You get me? So don't focus on the fancy things that you see on social media. Just focus on becoming 1% better every haircut that you do. You get me? So hey man, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys made it this far. And just know that if you are a beginner barber and you're watching this, messing up does not mean that you're bad. It means that you are learning. You get me? So on this channel, I'm gonna be documenting my journey, my self cuts, and everything that I learned along the way. So if you wanna grow with me, make sure that you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and also comment down below which mistake are you working on right now. It's your boy Tyreek, man, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Deuces.
Take your time when it comes to women, loyalty over chicks.